Good morning. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever learned new English words, but when it's time to speak, you forget everything? You understand English, you read articles, you watch videos, you even write new vocabulary in your notebook. But when someone asks you a simple question, your mind goes blank, and you say the same basic words again and again. Good, nice, okay, fine. And deep inside you think, I know more than this. If that sounds like you, this video is exactly what you need. Welcome to English Speaking Way. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to show you how to build vocabulary the smart way, so you don't just learn new words, you actually use them. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand why most people forget vocabulary, the simple method to remember words naturally, how to speak without searching for words, and how to sound more professional and confident. Because speaking like a pro isn't about knowing difficult words, it's about knowing how to use the right words at the right moment. And once you understand this shift, your English will never feel basic again. Let's begin. Why your vocabulary is not growing. Let's start with something honest. Most learners don't have a vocabulary problem. They have a vocabulary usage problem. You probably know more words than you think, but you don't use them. Why? Because you learned them the wrong way. You memorized lists, you wrote meanings, you repeated definitions, but you never connected those words to real life. And here's the truth. Your brain does not remember isolated words. It remembers experiences. For example, if you learn the word confident from a list, you might forget it tomorrow. But if you say, I felt confident during my presentation, now that word becomes part of your story, and stories stick. That's the first shift. Stop collecting words. Start using them in context. Instead of learning 20 words a day, learn 5 words. And build sentences with them. Say them out loud. Use them in mini conversations. Because vocabulary without speaking is useless, and speaking without vocabulary is stressful. But when you combine both, that's when growth happens. Now let's go deeper, because knowing this isn't enough. You need a system. The smart way to build vocabulary. Now I want you to imagine something. Instead of writing one word like this, excited, feeling happy, you write it like this, I'm really excited about this opportunity. See the difference? You didn't learn a word, you learned a usable sentence. That's professional vocabulary training. Here's the method I recommend. Step 1. Learn words in phrases, not alone. For example, don't learn decision, learn make a decision, difficult decision, final decision. That's how native speakers think, in chunks. Step 2. Use the word within 24 hours. If you don't use it, you lose it. Talk to yourself, record yourself, create small imaginary conversations. Your brain needs repetition in speech, not just reading. Step 3. Replace basic words slowly. Instead of always saying, very good, try excellent, impressive, outstanding. Instead of very bad, try terrible, frustrating, disappointing. One replacement at a time. That's how you upgrade naturally. But there's still one problem left. Even when you know better words, you hesitate to use them. And that's what we fix next. Speaking like a pro isn't about big words. Here's something important. Professional speakers don't sound fluent because they use difficult vocabulary. They sound fluent because they are comfortable. Comfort removes hesitation. Hesitation kills fluency. So how do you remove hesitation? By practicing controlled speaking. Here's a simple exercise. Every day for 7 days. Choose 3 new words. Build 3 sentences. Speak those sentences out loud 5 times. Then use at least one in real conversation. That's it. Small, practical, effective. And here's the final truth. Fluency is not about impressing people. It's about expressing yourself clearly. When you stop trying to sound smart and start trying to sound clear, you automatically sound more professional. Because professionals communicate simply, confidently, directly. That's the real secret. And now, let's bring everything together, because knowledge without action changes nothing. Quick recap. Today we talked about something very important. You don't have a vocabulary problem, you have a vocabulary usage problem. You learned that memorizing word lists doesn't build fluency. Your brain remembers context, not isolated words. Learning words and phrases is more powerful than learning them alone. Replacing basic words slowly upgrades your speech naturally. Speaking practice removes hesitation. We shifted from collecting words to using words, from trying to sound smart to trying to sound clear. And that's what professional speakers actually do. They don't use complicated language, they use the right words comfortably. Now you have a simple system. Learn words in phrases. Use them within 24 hours. Practice them out loud. Replace basic vocabulary step by step. That's how you build real fluency. Not overnight, but consistently. If you've ever felt like your English sounds basic, that feeling doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means no one showed you the right method. And now you have it. On English Speaking Way, we don't just study English, we train it. Step by step, smartly, confidently. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, don't just learn words, use them, and start speaking like a pro.